Hello, Holy Trinity families. I am Jessica Kels, the head of the lower school, and I'm delighted to be able to share with you today our moving up meetings for the academic year 21-22. I know our teachers are so excited to meet your students and to share with you some of the exciting things that you can expect for the upcoming year.
Hi, I'm John Gomez, a member of the 4th grade team.
Hi, my name is Rebecca Cacciatore. Welcome to 4th grade.
And I'm Wendy Williamson.
Welcome to our 4th grade Moving Up presentation for the 2021-2022 school year. As we end this current school year, the 4th grade team is very proud of all that the students have accomplished during these challenging times. We have prepared a presentation which will help you better understand our program. Also, each teacher will be adding information which will better explain each segment of the curriculum. The social studies curriculum is a study of Florida, then and now. We begin around 1500 and we go to present days. It is a course based on Florida Studies textbook, which is not only a reading material, but is also a chance for us to do written answers. All classes are interactive, meaning that we spend a lot of time talking about the subject with opinions, ideas, and future plans. The program culminates each year with a Florida Day celebration where we try to get together the foods, the cultures of the state. Each student picks a Florida hero, if you want to call it that, a person to do a report about, someone that they learned and are really impressed with. And the year would also end, hopefully, in a possible field study to St. Augustine. This is something that we have done in the past and will do in the future. We will just have to wait and see what happens next year. In science, the unit begins on the Indian River Lagoon. We talk about its importance, its problems, its solutions, and all the different creatures that depend on it for their livelihood. Environments. We study all types of different environments, and this is based on our FOSS-based units. Electricity. We have done something new this year. Theory is taught with a program produced by the Duke Energy Company, and we also will do hands-on utilizing the FOSS program. Magnetism will come next after electricity, and it will be a hands-on project by FOSS. And we will end the year again with a possible Indian River Lagoon field study. We have done so in the past and we'll do it again in the future. Only time will tell about next year.
4th grade math is a year of transitions. We will be covering many areas in the Saxon math program. The children will move from using a consumable workbook in 3rd grade to a heavy hardbound book with fewer pictures in 4th grade. This year begins with numbers and operations, but as the year continues, the students will see material which includes algebra, geometry, measurement, and problem solving. Again, all these are woven throughout the lessons. To reinforce these concepts, the children will also do mental math daily. Each day they come to class wearing their mathematician hats. This year begins with a review of the addition and subtraction facts. These basic facts are practiced daily for speed and accuracy. Before long, we have moved on to multiplication and division. Early on, the children will learn about the relationship among numbers. For example, whether a number is odd or even, is it prime or composite? They also learn the divisibility rules. These are just a few. Learning to estimate is taught through rounding of numbers to the nearest 10, 100, 1,000, and so on. Believe it or not, the students are learning algebra. This includes using, describing, and continuing an arithmetic sequence. Taking sequencing to the next level, then the children are analyzing a pattern or sequence of numbers while naming the rule or pattern. Very quickly, the students are using variables and expressions and equations. They learn to find the missing number by using the inverse operation. Formulas are used throughout the year to solve problems. The children practice using these formulas to acquire a true understanding and confidence. Geometry and measurement are not concepts just presented at the end of the year. Our students at Holy Trinity see these concepts from the very start. An example of this includes learning how to find the perimeter of a rectangle using a formula. They are learning about the various types of lines, how to describe and identify them, as well as identify relationships with the lines. Students will be measuring all sorts of items with a ruler, so they should have a ruler that has both U.S. standard and metric units. Problem solving is where some of the most visible and exciting gains are made in student learning. The children will be guided on how to set up problems in an organized fashion. Dissecting and setting up their thinking in an organized fashion will build a solid foundation as the children progress from a 2-step problem-solving process to a 4-step problem-solving process. Again, problem-solving strategies are taught from the start of the year. Our favorite question in math is why? When we can answer the question, we are true mathematicians.
In 4th grade, we will focus on 3 types of writing: narrative writing, informational writing, and opinion writing. When the focus is on narrative writing, students will write narratives to develop real or imagined experiences or events using descriptive detail and clear event sequences. When the focus is on informational writing, students will write informative essays to examine a topic and convey ideas and information clearly. When the focus is on opinion writing, students write opinion pieces on topics that support a point of view with reasons and information. 4th grade language arts also includes extensive lessons in grammar, vocabulary, spelling, and cursive handwriting.
We're looking forward to seeing you next year.
Have a great summer.
Bye!